In this short mini-series, we're going to talk about the Cyprus expats, people who are coming to Cyprus from abroad. So what do you need to consider? Well, if you are a European person, there's nothing for you to worry about because yellow slip, which is something that you will require in the event that you will work, is something simple and now rudimentary, and this is for all EU citizens. So if you're a European who is coming to Cyprus, an expat from Cyprus, then it's something simple that we can assist you with. It's a simple process, it's streamlined, and there's no point really talking about it. Now, what happens if you're getting pension from abroad? How will that pension be taxed here in Cyprus? At present, at the time of this video, that pension will be taxed at 2% only if it exceeds the threshold here in Cyprus for the personal income tax. At the time of this video again, and it's been some years now actually, the threshold for the income tax payable is 19,500 euros. So that's your gross emoluments minus any deductions, minus social securities. If the amount that remains is below 19,500, then there's no tax. If it's above, then your pension will be taxed at that 2%. What else? The other thing you need to worry about is that if you get a job here in Cyprus, your local employer needs to register you with the social securities, and every month they need to be paying on your behalf social securities and national healthcare system. What's brilliant about this is that for Cyprus has the second lowest social securities in Europe, but over and above, it has the highest tax-free income. So those 19,500 is the highest tax-free income in Europe. So if you're getting a salary of 20,000, let's say, it is unlikely that you're going to pay any tax on that salary. Now let's talk about the NHS. The NHS are small contributions, approximately 3%. The percentages change year on year that you and your employer will contribute so that you will have access to the hospitals of Cyprus. This is marvelous, as many of our clients say. It's brilliant because you are contributing very little. It's us, the employers actually, who are contributing quite a lot. And with that small contribution, you are allowed to enter all the hospitals here in Cyprus and pay 5 or 10 euros to have yourself checked by any doctor. If you want to make x-rays or anything more scientific, if you want to go into I don't know the English word for it, again, it's very cheap. And this is one of the main reasons why so many expats are here in Cyprus, because the medical sector and the medical part in their decision making is key and crucial, and Cyprus has it covered. Quickly, let's talk about the personal income taxes. We say that you're taxed either 0% if your taxable income, not your gross income, is 19,500 and below, and then you start getting taxed at 20%, 25%, 30%, and if your gross taxable income exceeds 60,000 per annum, the annum here in Cyprus is a calendar year, then you will be taxed at 35%. Other than that, my dear expatriates, you only need to submit your tax return once per year. It's usually April, following the year end, but some extensions are granted every now and then, so it's best to speak with your local accountant. The tax returns are not so easy to be performed because Cyprus income tax is now progressive like the rest of Europe, and slowly they are adding new parts in the tax return, which even make our lives a bit more difficult. So spend 100 euros, 150 euros, pay your local tax expert, and have a peace of mind. More information on our website, send me an email, kt@Cyprus Accountants. Our website is cyprusaccountants.com.cy. We've been doing this for more than 20 years. We know your needs. We have big teams servicing individuals, companies, performing audits, dealing with immigration. So there's no way you have an inquiry or something that we cannot resolve. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.